This is Samsung Galaxy A73, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can set up parental controls for this device. So to begin with, you will need to launch settings. Onwards, enter the Google category over here. At the Google page, make sure that there are no Google accounts that are added to the system. If there are any, or you have any as ID, for example, you will need to remove them, which is not a hard thing to do at all. In here, we will need to just hold on a second. We will need to just tap at our account, go into Manage Accounts on this device option, and open each Google account and remove it one by one. After this step has been successfully moved out of the way, we can re-enter the Google category of settings and start the setup directly. So in here, tap at the Get Started button, then Child or Teenager, Next. Then tap at the Add or Create Account for a Child option and sign into the Google account or Gmail account of your child, or the Google account that you have created for your child. It is also very important to mention that the child has to not know the password to this account, since if they do, they will be able to easily bypass the parental controls. So make sure to not give them the password out. Then, enter email address, enter the password. Then just proceed with the Google login as you would usually. Then choose the child's account that we have just logged into from the list. And in here we will need to proceed by entering the credentials to the parent Google account as well, or the Google account that will be used for supervising the child's activity. So the drill is pretty much the same. You will just need to enter the email address and then password. At the following page that says About Supervision, scroll all the way down and enter the child password once again in order to confirm the account linking procedure. Then tap at the Agree button. At the following pop-up window, choose Allow, and now we will need to simply wait for those accounts to get linked. As you can see, they have been successfully linked. Now in here you can turn on or turn off some of the apps, but I recommend that you skip the step for now, since you will be able to do that later on as well. So there's no point in doing that at this particular moment. We will finish the setup procedure quicker that way. The same applies for filter settings and various content restrictions. In here, there are like two ways you can go forward. So if the device that is written in a bold font is the one that you are going to use for supervision, you can just tap at the blue Install Family Link button and get the needed app downloaded and installed automatically, or you can always tap Skip over here, take your device as a parent, and get the Family Link application for free from the Play Store manually, as you would download any other app. So I'll choose the automatic way this time. In here I have my Nokia. As you can see, it has been, the app download has been successfully automatically started. So now we'll simply wait for it to finish. And then proceed. So the needed app was successfully downloaded and installed. Now we will need to log in with the Google account that we have earlier identified as parents or as supervisors. That's a very important step, do not miss it. Alrighty, the app lagged. That's a very common thing to happen. So I will simply relaunch it and see whether it will work this time around. Already, it might happen sometime. that the app has glitched out and does not allow you to proceed, that's fine. It can be easily fixed by rebooting your phone or device, if you have a tablet, let's say. So that's exactly that I'm going to do now. I'll quickly restart my Nokia, and then we'll proceed. Already, our phone was successfully rebooted. And now we'll try to launch the Family Link app once again and see whether the problem or the issue is fixed. I guess now we'll just have to simply wait for a little bit. Okay, here it is, finally. So as I've mentioned earlier, it is important to choose the right Google account over here. I'm repeating this one more time. Choose the account that you have earlier marked or identified as parents or supervisors Google account. Then continue to the app. And in here you can do all kinds of stuff. For example, set some daily usage limits. So let's say your child will not be able to use the device more than 3 hours per day. Then set some downtime routine if you want to. Turn on or turn off the apps that you want or do not want your child to have an access to, as well as monitor the app activity or even set usage limits for particular apps, let's say. You can also apply content restrictions, change account settings, manage devices, monitor your child's location, and see your child's usage or device usage highlights over here. Already, so that would be it, at least as far as setting up parental controls on this device goes. We highly appreciate your attention, and bye-bye.